So I want to discuss a little bit about Oracle architecture and some of the things behind the scenes, not just in Oracle, but in databases in general. For example, here I want to cover what a relational database is. This is something that not just encompasses Oracle, but encompasses really any database that you deal with today. We're also going to talk about Oracle schema objects and how Oracle defines a schema. And we're going to talk about data access and how Oracle allows you to access a database and the tables and the schema objects and such. And then we're going to be talking about, and I'm going to show you the architecture that surrounds Oracle. The first thing I want to talk to you about, though, is relational databases in general. Relational databases are a way for you to gain access and store the data in a manner that allows for easy retrieval and easy storage. And really, relational model has a few things in common. First of all, they have structures. Well, structures, right? You have to have a database structure that defines the columns and the rows and the attributes, defines how the data is going to be placed. It has some operations, allowing you to save and retrieve and delete and insert. It also has some integrity rules. The relational database in general. It has to define how the data is going to remain, it's going to have some integrity. It's going to allow for the retrieval and saving of the data so that it does not have a GIGO effect. Have you heard of the GIGO effect? It is G-I-G-O, garbage in, garbage out. So the database has to have some ability to force or enforce integrity rules, such as this column can only take letters. This one will only take numbers. This one will only take numbers that have decimals in it. This one will only allow for dates that are greater than this date. This will allow for, this will be an indexed column that will do this and do that. So there has to be the ability to have some integrity rules. And those are, for example, known as constraints. Relational databases really store data in a set of simple relations. A table, for example, is a two-dimensional form of a relation in the form of rows, which are also known as tuples, and columns, which are also known as attributes. So let me show you.